Here's how to create an Apple ID. This could be your first Apple ID, or if you're creating multiple for other uses, you can create multiple in the same way. Now, there's a shortcut link in the description that will take you to this page. You can also go to account.apple.com, and then in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see Create Your Apple Account. Now, from here, you're going to fill in basic information: first name, last name, your actual email address, along with password, phone number, and then you'll verify through text message or phone call. And then you can select whether or not to receive updates through your email. And then there's a little CAPTCHA at the bottom, and we'll continue after that. After you continue, it'll ask you to verify your email address. So just go to that new email that's sent to you and then type in this one-time code. After you type in the code, just hit continue. Next up, they're going to send you a text message to the phone number that you entered, or they're going to give you a phone call if you selected that option. And from there, you're going to enter in that code to verify that phone number. After you hit continue and you verified your email address and your phone number, you officially have an Apple ID or an Apple account. And so that's how you can create your Apple account. Once you're logged in here, you've got your personal information, sign in, and security. You can change the password, also set up two-factor authentication, which it probably already is with your phone number, and edit things like payments and shipping, see any subscriptions you have on your account, and update devices and family sharing as well. That's how you can set up or create an Apple ID.